Hello and welcome to the complete JIRA Agile Project Management course, where you're going to learn how to master your digital projects using JIRA, the #1 online project management system. I'm Danny, and over the last 15 years, I've helped companies build amazing digital products and services by leading high-performance teams using tools like JIRA. I've created this course with one simple goal in mind, and that is to help you focus on the essentials so that you can quickly start and manage your projects with ease. So let's take a look at what's inside. In this course, you'll be following along to create a sample project for a new website called WordPress Web Design Agency. We'll cover a basic overview of Agile terminology in each section. So if you're already familiar with Agile, that's great, but if not, don't worry. You'll learn all that you need to know to apply Agile concepts such as Kanban, Scrum, Epics, and Stories quickly in JIRA. Companies like Audi, Orbitz, and HubSpot are using JIRA to deliver their digital products and services. So whether you're looking to save more time on your personal projects or find a new position in the software development industry, then this is the one-stop shop for mastering JIRA. So go on, click the next video, and I'll see you on the inside.